Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the Daily Trader. It is October 21st, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, then Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So the VIX is down 0.29, 0.97%, closed at 29.69. So we just broke below 30. This was an important support, and now it's becoming a resistance. So the VIX has been coming down. Look at this here. This is the slope of the VIX coming down. This is what we have here. We have a really tight channel. We have a tight channel. So next stop is 27.72. This is no doubt helping the stock market as a whole. Let's look at the indices. So Dow Jones. Wow, look at this move up. We had a little bit of a pullback right here, and look at now this move up for Dow Jones. And as expected, this is going to allow us to plot this upward bullish channel for Dow Jones. I have to say this is pretty steep. This is pretty steep. I have a little bit of doubt myself, but this is just my personal opinion. If we stochastic at 98, so very strong stochastic, it seems like the bull trend has already started. It started when we had the stochastic over 60, stochastic over 60, stochastic over 60 right here on this candle. The candle before was not good enough. And then the next day, boom, 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 a little bit of a gap up. And then we pushed down a little bit. We had a little bit of a pull back. And now we seem to be going on with a vengeance. So this is a good turnaround. We have also crossed again 30,457, which is basically our W pattern. Boom. And we had crossed it here, then came back, and now boom. But yeah, it seems like the stock market is really trying to get back to this resistance right here. That's interesting to see. Let's look at the S&P 500. S&P 500, nice day also. So we also have this upward channel, and we broke 37.42 right here. This is also pretty good. Nasdaq, the same thing. So we can do the same thing right here. Nasdaq just got the stochastic over 60 also. All of the indices are now in sync with stochastic over 60 for all of them. Yeah, I guess we are going to need to start thinking about catching this right. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday or Sunday if you are a member. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.